Hi, I'm Elias, a creative AI powered business consultant. You're watching my Formula One business exercise. Formula One because one day, one person, one challenge. Germany stands at a pivotal crossroads where mastering the convergence of environmental leadership, technological supremacy, social innovation, and industrial evolution will determine our position as a global economic powerhouse through 2035. We need to transform our industrial backbone through AI optimized energy systems and blockchain enabled carbon tracking. This would not just reduce emissions, we would create a 2 trillion green technology export market opportunity. An AI optimized energy management and blockchain enabled carbon tracking system reduces industrial energy costs by 40% while creating Europe's first truly intelligent manufacturing network. Digital material passports and AI driven reverse logistics will transform Germany's waste streams into a 50 billion circular economy opportunity, setting global standards for resource efficiency. We connect 50,000 industrial sites through smart grids and establish a nationwide hydrogen infrastructure to build the world's most advanced clean energy industrial base. We launch a 10 billion DeepTech initiative, which isn't just about funding, it's about creating a quantum ready innovation ecosystem that prevents the next SAP from relocating to Silicon Valley. This deep tech initiative, combined with regulatory sandboxes in every state, will cut innovation to market time by 60% while catalyzing the next generation of German tech giants. We need to revolutionize stock option regulations and create tech visa fast tracks to make Germany the most attractive destination for global tech talent. A new AI powered patent commercialization platform will transform Germany's world class research into market ready innovations at unprecedented speed. We turn Germany's demographic challenge into a competitive advantage with unprecedented workforce adaptability by deploying AI driven skills forecasting and establishing remote work hubs. Through an AI driven skills platform with personalized micro credentialing, we would create Europe's most adaptable and future ready workforce. We establish cross regional innovation corridors and digital nomad infrastructure that turn geographic disparities into nationwide innovation opportunities. Our skills based hiring framework and entrepreneurship programs will lead to unprecedented economic mobility across all regions and demographics. Our Mittelstand's global leadership hinges on transforming 50,000 manufacturing sites into quantum enabled AI driven smart factories that are immune to supply chain disruptions. By deploying quantum computing testbeds across industrial clusters, we are future proofing German manufacturing for the post digital era. Our network of AI driven quality control and predictive maintenance systems will set new global standards for manufacturing excellence. Through 5G industrial networks and cross factory data sharing, we're creating the world's most advanced and resilient manufacturing ecosystem. This three-phase transformation isn't just a roadmap, it's a 500 billion commitment to maintaining Germany's industrial sovereignty in an era of unprecedented technological disruption. These 12 interlocking metrics form a comprehensive dashboard that will drive Germany from its current 1.5% growth trajectory to a sustainable 3% annual GDP expansion by 2035. Success demands a fundamental reimagining of German bureaucracy, with streamlined approval process that reduce implementation times by 60% while maintaining our renowned precision. By focusing our unmatched industrial expertise on quantum applications and green manufacturing, we're not just adapting to change, we're writing the global standards for Industry 5.0. Happy to help you with any challenge by utilizing my AI, business, strategic, and creative expertise. Visit my website for references, free courses, and GPTs, and all my contacts. Thanks for listening and have a great day.